Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. President. We landed with 20 minutes to spare.
Thank you for punishing me.
We may come to claim the balance of that time some other time.
Thank you for punishing me.
Thank you very much, sir.
Come and remove your gadgets. Ah, good to go.
So this is the second to the last one, sir.
Second to the last?
Yes, sir.
Look at you.
So you have to do a broadcast now.
Broadcast?
Yes.
You hold that thing at a safe distance and harass me. Thank you.
Whoever thought that there has been some form of injustice on him, we are all humans. There is no doubt I hurt some people, and I wish they would pardon me. And those that think that I've hurt them so much, please pardon me. I thank you very much.
Allah kare ka, Allah tsare ka, Allah kare ka, ba da bakin mutum ba sai dai Allah.
He's an no-nonsense man. He has never, for once that I know him, done anything that will advance his selfish interest, either for himself as a person, for friends, for family.
He believes in the ultimate goodness of each and every Nigerian, including those of us who work with him. Yes, he will discuss challenges with you, but ultimately he always believes that you will do the right thing.
Muhammad Buhari, he listens a lot. He's not too much in a hurry to take decisions, and he is also very considerate. He said Nigeria is a very complex place. You need to take measured decisions because every decision you take will impact on the lives of people. So, but he is a very, very thorough leader. There are so many adjectives you can use to describe Buhari, but truly, he is a leader whose time has come, and he has led this country very, very well.
Under no circumstances, the leader will probably be sending his people or be asking you to do this for him. Buhari has never sent anybody to me in the last 7 years to do anything for him or for the person.
I've had the privilege of serving 7 Nigerian presidents in my public career. The styles of leadership are different, the circumstances are different, but as a boss, he gives you the resources to do your work. You can say anything about him or his policies, but nobody doubts his integrity and his commitment to ensure that public resources are very well managed. And that he cares about all parts of the country, including those that may not have voted for him, conspicuously not voted for him in several elections that he has undergone in this country.
His driver took me from his house to go to